Oh, hello. My name is Nicholas Sambold. This is my 61B Project Zero Golden Points video. So for my golden points, uh, I use vector projections
Yeah, you should do
on,
yours. Hell no.
in order to calculate which momentum would be conserved with that own body, or which would be fuck, I don't know, but it's gonna go into the other body, and then that body will move in that one with that momentum. Yeah, here's a very nice picture that I used to understand this, because I'm not a physics major. Like, how are they expecting us to know this? Like, I don't. Okay, let's get to the cool fun stuff. That's my. Oh no, I don't know. Let's run the example. So Java and body extreme, and then with the wait, I'm stupid. Let me just I can't type that out. Let me just use the shortcut. So what my program outputs is if it loads, because my computer is shit. Oh wait, I forgot to introduce my friends. This is Shandy, Melanie, and Bob. Wait. Here's my project. It's running really slow because I have like 1,000 tabs. Oh, sorry, I'm sweating. I'm gonna take off my jacket. But here's my project.
Oh, Nico, you're a freshman.
Oh yeah. Rush to get. So here's my project. As you see, when the two bodies collide at the top, they bounce off each other with the translated momentum, and I also have this nice terminal output that also prints collision with the exclamation mark every single time they collide. Yeah, so I also made them two different pictures, so that way you can tell that they're not passing through. Because before I couldn't tell they're the same. Yeah. So yeah, I created multiple functions for the linear algebra in order to project vectors onto the line of this dotted line here is what the momentum vectors would be projected onto, and those projections onto the line would be translated into the other object, and those orthogonal to this dotted line would be conserved within its own object. It would not be translated. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my project, and I hope I enjoy the extra credit. Thank you very much. Bye. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye.